Hello everyone, how to solve x to the power of x which is equal to x. Find the value of x, then x to the power of x minus x which is equal to 0. Then when we factorize this, it becomes x bracket x to the power of x minus 1 minus 1 bracket is equal to 0. And here we have two cases, x is equal to 0 and bracket x to the power of x minus 1 minus 1 bracket 0. Then x to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1. Then x to the power of x minus 1 is equal to x to the power of 0, because x to the power of 0 is the same with 1. Then we have here the same basis, so that we can compare the exponents. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we take 1 to the right side. Then x is equal to 1 as our second result. Now let us check whether this is correct. X to the power of x is equal to x. We check for the first case, then we put 0 in place of x, then 0 to the power of 0 is equal to 0. But 0 to the power of 0 does not exist, which is undefined. So x is equal to 0 is not true, it is false. Then here we will check for the second case, x to the power of x is equal to x. Then we substitute 1 for x. 1 to the power of 1 is equal to 1. 1 to the power of 1 is 1, which is equal to 1, which is true. So the only value of x is equal to 1. So don't forget these steps. Subscribe to this channel. See you next time.